Hola, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the objective of this standard is the documentation of the instruments formed by computers, programmable controllers, mini-computers, and microprocessor systems that have shared control, shared viewing, and other interface characteristics. The symbols represent the interface with the previous field equipment instrumentation, control room instrumentation, and other types of hardware. The size of the symbols must be as to the ISA S5.1 standard, which complement it. In column A, we have the Primary Shared Control System, or DCS, the Basic Process Control System, BPCS. In column B, we have Alternate Shared Control Systems, or PLC, Safety Instrumented Systems, SIS. In column C, we have Computer Functions and Software, High-Level Control System, or HLCS. In column D, we have Discrete Primary Elements, Discrete Transmitters, Discrete Switches and Indicators, Discrete Transporters and Relays, Discrete Hardware Controllers, Discrete Final Control Elements, and Discrete Control Valves. Each of the symbols having certain locations and accessibility, being the ones in the row 1 located in field, not panel, cabinet, or console mounted, visible at field location, and normally operator accessible. The ones in the row 2 located in or on front of central or main panel on console, visible on front of panel or on video display, normally operator accessible at panel front or console. The ones in the row 3 located in rear of central or main panel, located in cabinet behind panel, not visible on front of panel or on video display, not normally operator accessible at panel or console. The ones in the row 4 located in or on front of secondary or local panel or console, visible on front of panel or on video display, and normally operator accessible at panel front or console. The one in the row 5 located in rear of secondary or local panel, located in field cabinet, not visible on front of panel or on video display, not normally operator accessible at panel or console. Conventional registers, such as the band graphs, will be displayed as according to the ISA 5.1. Assignable recorders use the letter I. Long-term mass storage of a process variable using digital memory such as tape, disk, etc. must be represented according to the primary choice and the alternate choice symbols depending on the location of the device. The identification codes of this standard must comply the ISA 5.1 with the following additions. Software alarms can be identified by placing designation letters of Table 1.1 of ISA 5.1 on the lines of input or output signal of the controllers or other specific component of the system. Two or more symbols can be joined to express the following meanings: communication between associated instruments, for example, connecting wires and internal system networks. 2. Integrated instruments with multiple functions, for example, multipoint recorder and a control valve with an incorporated controller. The contiguous symbol application is an user option. If the application is not absolutely clear, contiguous symbols should not be used. All wired alarms and devices other than covered devices and alarms specifically in this standard must be with ISA 5.184, Table 1.1. Instrument system alarms. The alarms covered by this standard must be identified as. So, this will be all for today's video. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. I upload videos every Wednesday in Spanish and Friday in English. Adiós! Two or more signals.